bless you! Are you in your new high chair from Grandpa? Are you? Uh-oh. What's going on? Is Linus trying to get to your high chair too? Theodore, do you like your new high chair from Grandpa? You like your high chair, you big boy? He's such a big boy. Just still watching Linus, huh? Still watching the kitty? What's he doing? It's a good thing there's no food on there. Yeah, it's a good thing. Say hi. Hello, world. Hello, world. You have some smiles for the camera? Do you have some smiles for the camera? What else? You have more stories to tell? More stories to tell? What else, silly boy? Oh. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. You still have the hiccups, huh? Okay, say bye-bye.